Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Bosch dryer and it's giving you an E26 error. So what is this error and how to get rid of it? So first of all, the error is that there is some kind of fault coming out of the control module. It's sensing a fault out of the control module. So there's really two fixes for this. The second fix, the second resort fix, is to just replace the control module, which you're probably going to have to call out and have a professional do for you. But the first thing to try to do that has a good chance of getting rid of the error is just like a computer that's like malfunctioning, and before you try to do anything else to fix it, the first thing you try to do when your computer's throwing up it's kind of acting weird and you're not sure why, is just to do a hard reset on the computer. So you just turn it off, unplug it, let it sit for a minute, turn it back on. You're going to do the same thing with your dryer. Turn your dryer off, either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit breaker if it's hardwired, and let it sit for a full minute with no power. And then when you turn it back on, the whole thing will reset, and see if this error E26 doesn't go away or doesn't not come back, let's say. And hopefully it won't, and if it does, you're probably going to need to have a technician out to replace the control module. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.